If you're looking to use affiliate tools to promote high-ticket digital products, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you how to use the most effective affiliate tools so you can maximize your earnings from high-ticket digital products. Stick around to the end because I'll reveal how you can get an exclusive free trial to a tool that I personally recommend to get started right now. Now, the first step is understanding the affiliate tool you'll be using. For high-ticket digital products, you need something that handles not only tracking and commissions, but also helps with customer relationships and conversions. A tool like this streamlines the entire process, from lead capture to post-sale follow-ups. This software gives you the functionality to set up campaigns, automate email sequences, and track sales easily, key for high-ticket offers. Next, you need to get familiar with the tracking features. This is one of the most important aspects when you're working with high-ticket products. The software we're using tracks your affiliate links, showing you exactly how much commission you're earning and from which lead source. This helps you optimize your strategy and focus on the most profitable channels. Another must-have feature is automated follow-ups. When you're promoting high-ticket products, your audience needs time and nurturing to convert. That's why the affiliate tool you're using should allow you to set up automated email sequences, webinars, or even text messages to keep leads engaged. The more personal you make this follow-up, the better chance you have of closing those high-value sales. One of the most overlooked aspects of affiliate tools is landing page optimization. High-ticket products require high-converting landing pages. The software we're using allows you to design landing pages that not only look great but are optimized for conversions. This tool comes with pre-built templates and A/B testing features, so you can test which versions of your pages perform the best and maximize your conversion rates. The next step is leveraging your affiliate links across multiple platforms. You can use social media, your website, and even paid ads to drive traffic. The key here is consistency and targeting the right audience. The affiliate tool we're using helps you generate different types of affiliate links, track them separately, and analyze which traffic sources are driving the most sales. Don't forget about analyzing the data. You need to see where your efforts are paying off and where they aren't. The tool will give you a dashboard showing you your top performing products, conversion rates, and even your most successful traffic sources. This is where you'll get the insights you need to scale your efforts and make smarter decisions moving forward. Now, here's the big tip. The key to success with high-ticket digital products isn't just about driving traffic, it's about driving quality traffic and nurturing those leads until they convert. The tool you're using should help you manage leads from start to finish, automating repetitive tasks and focusing your energy on what really moves the needle, building trust and creating value. To quickly recap, first, you need a reliable affiliate tool that tracks commissions and sales. Second, make use of automation to nurture leads and follow up on them. Third, use the software's landing page optimization and A/B testing to maximize conversions. Fourth, track and analyze your efforts to scale. Finally, don't just drive traffic. Focus on the right traffic and build relationships with your leads. Before we finish up, I highly recommend you take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software we're using in the description below. It's an incredible tool for high-ticket affiliate marketing, and this free trial is only available to viewers of my channel. Remember, use the affiliate tools correctly, track your efforts, and most importantly, always focus on quality and relationship building to succeed in high-ticket affiliate marketing. Take action today, and I'll see you in the next video.